So what we want to do now is to assign a particular submission to a reviewer. And earlier I demonstrated to you how to upload an article. So I'm going to click on view for this particular article, and then I want to assign this article to a reviewer. So you can see the available reviewers now, and as time goes on, as you create more users, you now have more reviewers, journal editors, or section editors, or guest editor, or even author, for instance. So let's just stay put with journal editor, and then I'm going to assign this to uh, this particular to doctor. Yeah, so um next step would just be to either send a short message that will help Dr. Joel Aluko, for instance, review this particular article better. But in the absence of none of any, I'm going to click on OK. And having done that, right away, Dr. Joel Aluko now will be able to view this particular article when he logs in, and the process now starts. So the review process for him now starts. Don't forget that because this particular article has not been assigned to this current user that is logged in, you can't see it here. But for Dr. Joel Aluko, who that particular article has been assigned to, he sees it under review, not submission. I hope you get just he sees it under review, and then he can start the review all through to production. So that's how you continue to work on a particular journal until when it gets to production. And when it gets to production, then you can schedule that particular publication for production. And once you schedule it for production, that means that it's going to attach that article to that issue, and that particular issue becomes public, meaning that everybody, without having to log in, will be able to view the article from the archive, which is here. At the moment, you don't have any published issue, so that's why this place is blank. But as time goes on and articles get added, then you'll be having more and more and more articles here, and OJS will do a very beautiful job of attaching that particular content to many search engines, so that when they're looking for articles, that article will be able to pop up to bring them here, be able to access it, access the abstract, and access every part of the article once it has been published or publicated. So that's once it has been published. Sorry. So that's how you push an article along the workflow of OJS.